All right, let's dive in. Today, we're going to talk about building an empire. Not with bricks and mortar, no, but with clicks and content. We are going deep into the world of YouTube automation.
So think about this for a second. You see the massive potential of YouTube. You see the paychecks, the lifestyle, but the thought of pointing a camera at your face day after day, it's just not for you. Well, what if I told you there's another way? A way to run a hugely successful channel, maybe even a whole network of them, without ever having to be on camera?
And that right there is the big idea behind YouTube automation. It's a total mindset shift. You stop being the on-screen talent and you become the producer. You're the architect, the strategist, kind of like the director of a movie. You're the one building a content machine that runs for you, so you don't have to. It's all about the system. So let's really get into this faceless YouTube dream. How do you actually go from being this behind-the-scenes producer to cashing a very, very real paycheck? The appeal is obvious, and for some really good reasons. So why is this model so attractive? Well, it really boils down to 4 key freedoms. First, it's scalable. Once you perfect the system for one channel, you can just, copy and paste it to start another. Second, you get true passive income. Your videos are like little digital employees out there working for you 24/7. And of course, you get total privacy and the flexibility to do this from literally anywhere in the world. It's a pretty powerful mix. So how do we make this happen? We've got to build that system, what I like to call the content assembly line. This is where the real work of the producer comes in, and believe me, it's way more systematic than you probably think. Step 1 on our assembly line, choosing your niche. And this is critical because not all views are created equal. You see, advertisers will pay way, way more to show their ads to someone interested in finance than, say, someone watching funny cat videos. This value is measured in something called CPM, or cost per mil. It's how much you get paid for every 1,000 views. Look at the difference here. Choosing a high CPM niche from the get-go is your first major strategic move. Okay, so you've got your niche. What does the actual production look like? Well, it's this simple 4-step loop that you just run over and over again. First, you get a script written. Then, you get a voiceover recorded for that script. After that, a video editor takes that audio and pairs it with stock footage, animations, and graphics. And finally, a designer creates an amazing must-click thumbnail. That's it. It's not magic, it's just a process.
But wait a minute. Who's doing all that work? Not you? Remember, you're the producer. Your job is to build the A-team. And honestly, it's never been easier. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Online Jobs PH are packed with talented freelancers who can handle every single step of that workflow. You can literally assemble your entire production crew without leaving your desk.
Now, one of the first big decisions you're going to have to make is about the voiceover. Do you use an AI voice or do you hire a human? AI voices are incredibly fast and cheap, which is great for scaling, but they can sometimes sound a little robotic. A human voice actor brings that emotion, that natural tone, but they cost more and take more time. Honestly, a lot of successful channels start with AI to get moving fast, and then they reinvest their profits into human voiceovers once they start growing. It's a smart strategy. Okay, the assembly line is built. The content is flowing. Now, let's get to the most important part. How does all of this turn into actual money in your bank account? Let's talk monetization. The goal here isn't just one income stream. It's a whole portfolio. Yeah, ad revenue is a big slice of the pie, but the really smart channel owners diversify. And here's the real key insight. You can start earning with affiliate marketing. That's getting a commission when someone buys a product you recommend from day one, even before your channel is officially monetized by YouTube. Then, as you grow, you can add in your own digital products and even brand deals. Now, to unlock that ad revenue, you've got to get into something called the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. And to do that, you need the keys to the kingdom. These are the 2 magic numbers: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of public watch time, all within a 12-month period. This is your first major mission. Every single video should be designed to push you closer to hitting these goals. So how do you get those thousands of watch hours? Well, it all starts with the click. Think about it. YouTube could suggest your video to 1 million people. But if your title and thumbnail are boring and nobody clicks, it's all for nothing.
These two things are the billboard for your video. They have to work together to spark curiosity and make a promise that's just too good to ignore. Mastering this is probably the single most important skill in the whole game. Okay, so you've done it. You have one successful, monetized, automated channel. That's amazing. But we're not here to just build a channel. We're here to build an empire. So, how do you scale? And trust me, scaling like this is totally possible. It's not just a theory. For instance, there was one channel in the high-end luxury niche that went from 0 to over 500,000 subscribers in just 18 months. And how'd they do it? By being relentlessly consistent and never sacrificing on quality. It's proof that an automated system can absolutely produce top-tier content that drives insane growth.
So what's the secret to maintaining that kind of quality as you grow and you're not doing the work yourself? The answer is something that sounds a little corporate, but it's the absolute key. SOPs, standard operating procedures. These are just detailed, step-by-step checklists for every single task in your business. They ensure that anyone on your team can get the job done perfectly every single time.
This right here is your scaling playbook. First, you document everything with those SOPs. Then, you look at your analytics and double down on what's already working. You take your profits and you reinvest them to hire more help. You start repurposing your best video clips into shorts or TikToks to get even more traffic. And then, once the system is humming, you take it and launch a brand new channel. That's how you go from one income stream to a whole portfolio.
And at the end of the day, that's what all of this is really about. It's not just about making passive income. It's about building systems that create true freedom. The freedom to choose your hours, your location, and your financial future. This is the ultimate prize when you do YouTube automation the right way. So as we wrap up here, I just want to leave you with one final thought. The tools we have now, especially with AI, are making this entire process easier, faster, and cheaper than it has ever been in history. The barrier to entry is just crumbling. The blueprint is clear. The only question left is, what automated empire are you going to build?